In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat. If you're just getting tired of it and you want to remove it, I'm going to show you a way to do it. Now, first, what you want to do is open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, go to the top left to open up your profile. Once you are here, of course, if you don't want to delete your Bitmoji, you can just change the outfits, backgrounds and do whatever. But if you just want to remove it, go to the top right on this gear selector. Once you are here, scroll down until you see Bitmoji. As you can see, it's right under Snapchat Plus. Click on Bitmoji. Now from here, again, you can change your outfit, you can edit your Bitmoji, you can even choose selfie mode, do whatever. But if you want to remove it, click on the bottom button, remove my Bitmoji. Then it's going to tell you if you create your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose your avatar and all fashion items saved in your wardrobe. Then you just click on remove, you wait a few seconds, and now it's done. If I go back, as you can see, I don't have my avatar anymore because it was removed. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.